Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most versatile herbs out there, parsley. You might recognize parsley as a garnish on your dinner plate, but did you know that it's also incredibly good for your health? In this video, we'll be diving into the many health benefits of parsley, as well as its culinary uses and how to grow and store it. Let's get started. First up, let's take a look at the nutritional profile of parsley. This little herb is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Iron is also important for maintaining healthy blood cells. That's a lot of nutritional power in a small package. Now, let's talk about the amazing health benefits of parsley. First off, parsley is anti-inflammatory, which means it can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. It's also great for supporting healthy digestion, thanks to its high fiber content. And if you're looking to lower your blood pressure, parsley may be able to help with that too. There's even some evidence to suggest that parsley could help reduce your risk of certain cancers. But that's not all. Parsley is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use it as a garnish to add a pop of color to your dishes, or you can incorporate it as a main ingredient in recipes like tabbouleh. If you're interested in growing your own parsley, it's actually quite easy to do. All you need is a pot, some good soil, and some sunlight. Finally, let's talk about how to store parsley to keep it fresh for as long as possible. The key is to store it in the refrigerator, either wrapped in a damp paper towel or in a container of water. This will help keep the leaves fresh and crisp. And there you have it, the amazing health benefits of parsley, its culinary uses, and how to grow and store it. We hope you learned something new today. If you have any favorite parsley recipes or tips for growing parsley, let us know in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching.